Today, I'm going to show you how to find your Gmail password in 2026 using the password manager built into your browser. This is really useful if you've saved your login before and you just need to view it again without resetting your account. Now, before we start, a quick note. This only works if your password was previously saved in your browser or password manager. If you never saved it, you won't be able to reveal it this way. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser on your computer. If you're using Google Chrome, you can go directly to the password manager by typing chrome://password-manager/passwords into the address bar and pressing enter. This will take you straight to the list of saved passwords on your device. Once the password manager opens, use the search bar and type Gmail or Google. This will help you quickly locate the saved login connected to your Gmail account. If you have multiple Google accounts saved, look carefully for the one that matches the email address you need. When you find the correct result, click on it to open the Save Details. You should now see the username and the hidden password field. Next, click the eye icon or Show Password button. At this point, your computer may ask you to verify your identity. This is normal and is there to keep your saved password secure. If prompted, enter your Windows password, your Mac password, or your device PIN depending on the computer you're using. Once you complete the verification, the password will appear on the screen. Now you can view your saved Gmail password and use it to sign in on another device or recover access to your account. Take a moment to double check that you're looking at the correct account before copying anything. And just as a reminder, if you're worried you may have the wrong password or your account has been compromised, it's a good idea to change your Gmail password right after you recover it. That gives you a fresh layer of security and helps protect your account. Also, if you're using a shared computer, make sure you log out of the browser and keep your password manager locked so no one else can view your saved credentials. So that's the fastest way to find your Gmail password in 2026. Using Chrome's built-in password manager. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple how-to videos just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.